Hello everyone, peace of Christ to all. In this video we will answer some of the Abduls when they are playing games. Now the topic today is, as we see in the screen in their website, the following. The Quran does not say that the sperm created from between the backbone and the ribs. So this is the topic. And he's saying that this is understanding verse chapter 86 verse number 7 according to the prophets, disciples, and the Salaf, which means the old, the ancient one, and the classical scholars. But he will see he will never mention to us any of the classical scholars, and he will never mention to us any of the Salaf, which mean the companion of Muhammad or those who they are old one. Now, he's saying a Christian man named David Wood claiming that the Quran says semen is created from between the male backbone and his ribs. You know, it's not David Wood who's saying that. You see, Muslims they have a problem. Because I was reading, I said, David Wood, I'm sure he understands what the verse is saying. So let me see what David Wood said for real. So I went to David Wood website and I looked, and I found that David Wood is not saying that. It was Yusuf Ali who was saying that. But as always, Muslims, the Abduls, they do not know how to read, how to write, the same as their prophet. Here we go. This is David Wood website, answering Muslims. He's quoting for you, Abdul, Yusuf Ali. Yusuf Ali, okay? In his famous commentary in the Quran, Abdullah Yusuf Ali tries to explain this obvious error of Muhammad. So who's saying that this is the same body, the same part, and for two parts of the same person? It's Yusuf Ali. Look what he said. A man sees, etc., of his body. It is therefore said, metaphorically, to proceed from his loins, i.e., from his back, between the hip bones and the ribs. So the one is saying that, Abdul, is not him. This is Yusuf Ali. So if you want to laugh at somebody, go and laugh at Yusuf Ali. So here we go. The Abdul, right away, he is ready to attack. Oh, David Wood say that. He did not. He's quoting for you what you Muslims says. Anyway, Yusuf Ali supposedly claimed to be a scholar, but the fact he is one of the biggest potatoes ever I met. I wish I can. I don't know if this guy is still alive or not. If he's alive, I would be happy to debate him, make him my shish kebab. So it is Yusuf Ali says his backbone is a source and symbol of his strength. So what Yusuf Ali trying to fool us saying it's a symbol of his strength. It's not it's physically the backbone really. So it is the backbone. So why you translate it as loins? Right? So if you have something Muslims against liars, go sue Yusuf Ali if he's lying. Here we go. Yusuf Ali is saying, those words proving that we are right. Now we go back to see what this Abdul want to say to us. You will see, guys, when a Muslim they try to explain to us something, they speak forever. Like I was reading this article, I was reading and reading, and I did not see any answer except somebody trying to defend something is undefendable. And I will show you that. Answer by Ibn al-Hashimi, Dr. Ibn al-Hashimi. So the doctor, his name is Ibn al-Hashimi. Nice to meet you, Mr. Dr. Ibn al-Hashimi. I don't know which university you did graduate from, but I horribly feel sorry for you. Now look what he said. The translation used by Mr. David Wood is horribly inaccurate. Okay, what the translation he used? The correct translation of the word sulb is not backbone. Oh, just wait. Just wait. David Wood, shame on you. Why you translate the word backbone? Ibn al-Hashimi, I want to show everybody that you are a liar. You see, I don't like to call people liars unless they are. Here we go. This is Ibn Kathir. This is what? This is Ibn Kathir. Translated by who? by the Muslims. This is the website of who? Of the Muslims. And here we go, they are advertising for the stupid TV. And by the way, I don't accept any Islamic translation because all of them, they're lies. So even with the lies is there, I'm going to prove that you are a liar the same as they are liars. Here we go. The verses start from here. خلق من ماء دافق يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب. He is created from water gushing forth. So it's a gushing forth water. It's coming out, not will stay in. So the water they are talking about is a gushing forth. Remember, meaning the sexual fluid. So it's a sexual fluid that comes out of bursting forth. You see, bursting forth. It means it's a strong water coming out. This is about how the sperm, you know, from the man and the women. Thus the child is proceeded from both of them by the permission of Allah. Now let us continue and focus with me, because you are accusing David Wood to have wrong translation, right? And you said horribly inaccurate, horribly. Now, proceeding from the between the backbone and the ribs. I wanted to say the word horribly there, because the one who said that, by the way, is Ibn Kathir. Are you going to say now Ibn Kathir is a stupid guy who do not speak Arabic? Say it, say it, say it. It's okay. It's okay. Because soon we will make the Muslims say all the Muslims don't speak good Arabic, including Muhammad. Say it. It's okay. Don't worry. Be happy. And you will see in the translation, by the way, when the Muslim they add between two brackets, this is not in Ibn Kathir. Ibn Kathir, there's no or loins. In Arabic, only it says the backbone. Between the brackets is their own line now, trying to cover it, because they want to explain to you like, what the heck is that? Something sperm coming from the backbone. So they put for you between the two brackets or loins. Where it says that in Ibn Kathir. If we go in the Arabic Ibn Kathir, we will see the following. Let us show you. This is Ibn Kathir, okay, as you see in front of you. This is even the copy of the book, and this is your Islamic website, islamweb.net. So don't tell me that I'm lying. You know, this is a very Muslim website. Have a huge library of Islamic books. Okay, now this is Ibn Kathir, the explanation of Surah Al-Tariq, very number 8, page number 374. So I'm giving you the reference exactly what it is. Now, we go in Ibn Kathir, we will see what your prophet is saying. And we will see what is that. وقوله يخرج من ماء دافق يعني المني. You know, later in the article, the Abdul, he will say to us in his article, oh, it's not about semen, you know, this is not about semen, it's about gushing fluid, it's about a fluid of the man, a fluid of the women. False, you are a liar, you are a big fat liar. Here we go. It is gushing fluid, as we see in here. I will highlight. خلق من ماء دافق, created from gushing fluid. He mean, which mean Allah, the many, the sperm, the semen. Okay, actually it's sperm, more accurate. يخرج دافق من الرجل والمرأة. It's coming out from the man and the women. So it's coming where? Out. Hello, Abdul. Because later in the article he will try to put the he will try to create, there is an egg, and this is the woman, she is getting horny, she is wet. I agree with you. It's about women getting horny. And Muhammad, he think that liquid is the same, equal to the sperm, and both they meet, they make the baby outside. This is why Muhammad, he said, if your sperm drop in a rock, the rock will get pregnant, which is funny. So, so the many, he's saying, created from gushing fluid, which means the many, المني يخرج دفقا من الرجل والمرأة. So it's coming, gushing out, bursting out. It's very strong, you know, from the man and the women. And he is continue. فيتولد منهما الولد بإذن الله. And from both the two water, the baby will be created, or going to be born of it. Now, he continue. ولهذا قال يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب يعني صلب الرجل وترائب المرأة وهو صدرها. So this is why he's saying it's coming from between the backbone of the man and the backbone. Here we go. صلب الرجل وترائب المرأة وهو صدرها. And وترائب is the chest. Is the chest. And now he's explaining actually what is that. صلب الرجل وترائب المرأة. ترائب المرأة is the chest. And now Muhammad is explaining, saying that the water of the women is أصفر رقيق. It's a yellow and thin, not like the man. You see, the man, his sperm is not yellow, is white, and it's thick. But the women, she have a water which is yellow and thin. And Muhammad, you think it's a sperm, as we showed you in here. Here we go. You see the word many sperm. You see it? Abdul, don't tell me I didn't show it to you. Here we go. So both of them, they are producing sperm. In his article, they will try to convince us that the Quran never spoke about sperm. We'll tell that your prophet then. Maybe your prophet is a stupid idiot, he do not know. So actually, if we go to the English translation, we will see the following too. Let us go to the English one. Here we go. Proceeding from between the backbone and the ribs. Who is the one using the term backbone? Is the Muslims. And who is the one is talking there? This is the Quran. And this is the translation of who? The Muslims. And this is interpretation of who? Ibn Kathir. This is not David Wood. This is not a Christian Prince. This is not anyone. This is you Muslims. The backbone of the man and the ribs of the women. Do you see the word the ribs of the women? And do you see the backbone of the man? So we have two sources of a sperm. And actually, let me explain that more for those who maybe because sometimes people do not notice what we notice. First of all, when the Quran speaks about the backbone of the man and the ribs of the women, I don't know if you notice with me what I see, that the Quran believe that there is two source of a sperm: the ribs of the women and the backbone of the man. And we will notice that both are bones. Correct? Which means the Quran teach seriously that a sperm have a source, and the source is the bones. Now, for sure, if scientists today discover that, Muslims, they will make a party about it. They will not hide it. They will make it a big deal. They will make it a discovery, how Muhammad knew. But because they knew today, it's something stupid. You see, for the last 1400 years, none of the Islamic books hide this explanations. Today, Muslims hide it because everybody knows they will laugh at this. So, because who in the world will believe that bones of the women, or specifically the ribs, and by the way, the ribs where they are talking about, Tara'ib is the location of the necklace. Tara'ib is the location of the necklace. And I can show that from their own interpretation in Arabic. Here we go. This is Tafsir Al-Qurtubi, volume number 20, as we see in here, Al-Ashrun. And it says, page number 7, look, الترائب أي الصدر. Tara'ib mean the chest, and it is the location of the necklace. وهو موضع القلادة من الصدر. It is the location of the necklace. So we are talking about a specific place. And the funny that Abdul in his article trying to convince us that the word tara'ib is about female body part. Both of us, we have ribs. Abdul, you are the doctor, right? It's ribs. But in the same time, we can say it's about women for a very simple reason, because that is about location of necklace, not only just about a tara'ib as a ribs,